Hello everyone, my name is K. Rajesh. I am from CSC C section. Today's my topic is about Dream Chip 1, a timed priority queue. Priority queue. Priority queue is an extension of queue with following properties. Every item has a priority associated with it. An element with high priority is dequeued before an element with low priority. If two elements have the same priority, they are served according to their order in the queue. A priority queue is an abstract data type similar to the regular queue or stack data structure in which each element additionally has a priority associated with it. In a priority queue, an element with high priority is served before an element with a low priority. In some implementations, if two elements have the same priority, they are served according to the order in which they are enqueued. While in other implementations, ordering of elements with the same priority are undefined. While priority queues are often implemented with heaps, they are conceptually distinct from heaps. A priority queue is a concept like a list or a map, just as a list can be implemented with a linked list or an array. A priority queue can be implemented with a heap or a variety of other methods such as an unordered array. In the below priority queue, elements with the maximum ASCII value will have the highest priority. A typical priority queue supports the following operations. Insert of item comma priority. Inserts an item with a given priority. Get highest priority of. Returns the highest priority item. Delete highest priority of. Removes the highest priority item. How to implement priority queue? Using array. A simple implementation is to use array of following structure. Structure item. Int item int priority. Insert of operation can be implemented by adding an item at end of an array in big bow of one time. Get highest priority of operation can be implemented by linearly searching the highest priority item in array. This operation takes big bow of n time. Delete highest priority of operation can be implemented by first linearly searching an item, by removing an item by moving all subsequent items one position back. We can also use linked list. Time complexity of all operations with linked list remains same as array. The advantage with the linked list is delete highest priority of can be more efficient as we don't have to move items. Using heaps. Heap is generally preferred for priority queue implementation because heaps provide better performance compared arrays or linked list. In a binary heap, get highest priority of can be implemented in big bow of one time. Insert can be implemented in big bow of log n time. And delete highest priority of can also be implemented in big bow of log n time. With Fibonacci heap, insert of and get highest priority of can be implemented in big bow of one amortized time, and delete highest priority of can be implemented in big bow of log n amortized time. Heap queue or heap queue. Heap data structure is mainly used to represent the priority queue. In Python, it is available using heap queue module. The, the property of this data structure in Python is that each time the smallest of the heap element is popped, min heap. Whenever elements are pushed or popped, heap structure is maintained. The heap of 0 element also returns the smallest element each time. Let's see various operations on heap. Heap if y of iterable. This function is used to convert the iterable into a heap data structure. that is in heap order. Heap push of heap comma element. This function is used to insert the element mentioned in it arguments into heap. The order is adjusted so as heap structure is maintained. Heap pop of heap. This function is used to remove the return the smallest element from heap. The order is adjusted so as heap structure is maintained. Python code to demonstrate working of heap if y, heap push and heap pop off. Importing heap queue to implement heap queue. Import heap queue initializing list as li is equal to 57913 using heap if y to convert list into heap. Heap queue dot heap if y of list. Printing created heap. Print of the created heap is comma end is equal to space. Print of list of li using heap push of to push elements into heap. Pushes for heap queue dot heap push of list comma 4. Printing modified heap. Print the modified heap after push is end is equal to space. Print of list of li using heap pop of to pop smallest element. Print of the popped and smallest element is comma end space. Print of heap queue dot heap pop of list. Then we get the output as the created heap is 13975. The modified heap after push is 134759. The popped and the smallest element is 1. Heap push pop of heap comma element. This function combines the functioning of both push and pop operations in one statement, increasing efficiency. Heap order is maintained after its operation. Heap replace of heap comma element. This function also inserts and pops elements in one statement, but it is different from above function. In this element is first popped, then the element is pushed. That is, the value larger than the pushed value can be returned. Heap replace of returns the smallest value originally in heap regardless of the pushed element as opposed to heap push pop off. Python code to demonstrate working of heap push pop off and heap replace of. Importing heap queue. To implement heap queue, import heap queue. Initializing list 1 li1 is equal to 57943. Next, initializing list 2 li2 is equal to 57943. Using heap if y to convert list into heap. Heap queue dot heap if y of list 1. Heap queue dot heap if y of li2. Using heap push pop off to push and pop items simultaneously. Pops 2. Print the popped item using heap push pop off is end equal to space. Print of heap queue dot heap push pop off li1 comma 2. Using heap replace of to push and pop items simultaneously. Pops 3. Print of the popped item using heap replace of is end equal to space. Print heap queue dot heap replace of li2 comma 2 Then we get the output as the popped item using heap push pop off is 2. The popped item using heap replace off is 3. N largest of k iterable comma key is equal to fun. This function is used to return the k largest element from the iterable satisfied and satisfying the key if mentioned. N, n smallest of k comma iterable comma key is equal to fun. This function is used to return the k smallest element from the iterable specified and satisfying the key if mentioned. Python code to demonstrate working of n largest of and n smallest of. Importing heap queue to implement heap queue. Import heap queue. Initializing list as li1 and the list is 6, 7, 9, 4, 3, 5, 8, 10, 1. Using heap ify of to convert list into heap. Heap queue dot heap ify of li1. Using n largest to print three largest numbers. Prints 10, 9 and 8. Print of the three largest numbers in the list are end equal to space. Print of heap q dot n largest of 3 comma li1. Using n smallest to print three smallest numbers. Prints 1, 3 and 4. Print of the three smallest numbers in the list are print of heap q dot n smallest of 3 comma li1. Then we get the output as the three largest numbers in the list are 10, 9, 8 and the three smallest numbers in the list are 1, 3, 4. Applications. Applications are bandwidth management, discrete event simulation, Huffman coding, best first search algorithm, Rome, uh, Rome triangulation algorithm, Prim's algorithm for minimum spanning tree. Parallel priority queue. Parallelization can be used to speed up priority queues but requires some changes to the priority queue interface. The reason for such changes in is that a sequential update usually only has big O of 1 or big O of log n cost, and there is no practical gain to parcelize such a operation. One possible change is to allow the concurrent access of multiple processors to the same priority queue. The second possible change is to allow batch operations that work on k elements instead of just one element. For example, extract min will remove the first k elements with the highest priority. Thank you.